Okay, YouTube, this is what we're doing. We are burning this thing in. You can see here we built these little cross bars right here. That's to strengthen the rock slider. So now what my brother's doing is he's tacking them in, and once everything, it's all right. Once everything is good, what we'll do is we shall then finalize it. Okay guys, so this is what we did. We built the legs for it. Now we're gonna mock it up. We have to build a bracket in there for it. And so now, this is how it looks like.
So the slits that was cut in?
Yeah. So we cut some slits in there, and we're mocking it up because underneath there's a C channel, and we're gonna build some C channel brackets for it. Okay.
Hit already.
Yep.
Yep. Over there.
Okay. So.
Go up.
Yep. So let me see. Let me go underneath. Okay, YouTube. So this is what we're doing. We got that one welded. Now we're doing the same thing to this one. Okay. So, yeah, it's coming out very, very nice. Later we're gonna cap this, and after he finalizes weld. So I'll show you what we did. We cut the bracket there, and then we mock it into the car, the bottom of the car where the C channel is, and then we that's what we did. Coming out very nice. So, yep. Okay, so we got this side mocked up like this. So those plates right there is gonna go inside, and we're gonna put it against the C channel. And once that's done, we're gonna tack it in to make it look like this. Okay. So this one right here, it's not done yet. The reason is because it's pretty tight on the rear side. So, but those are done. Oh, okay, front. So those are done, and yeah, looks really, really great. So we're gonna go do that one right now. I'll show you the end result. Okay, so we've just finished tacking the plate to the arm, and we're gonna pull it out and let you see how it looks like.
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh, okay.
We're gonna tack all of them.
Oh, okay.
This is just the one tack.
All right. So I'll let you know how it looks like. I'll let you see, I mean. Okay, so we got the passenger side mocked up, and so we are finalizing our weld. And I'll show you how it looks like after we're done.